Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our digital online classes. Once again, we will continue our intermediate second year mathematics paper 2A important questions. As you know that in the previous classes, I dealt a number of questions as per the examination point of view. Inshallah, it will be helpful you in writing the final exam. Today, it is a continuation of the last class. The last class, an equation is given. We have found the roots when are in AP or GP. So, a numerical question has been shown you. Today also one question is there related to the geometric progression. Write down a problem. Given that the roots of x cube plus 3px square plus 3qx plus r, x cube plus 3px square plus 3qx plus r equal to 0 r in geometric progression. Then show that p cube r is equal to p cube r is equal to q cube. राइट, क्या है, क्या दिया, सवाल क्या दिया है, एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3px स्क्वायर प्लस 3qx प्लस r इज इक्वल टू 0 के रेशियो अगर ज्योमेट्री अगर साउथ में है तो हमको बताना है कि p क्यूब r इज इक्वल टू p क्यूब. नाउ राइट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन. लेट द रूट्स of the given equation x cube plus 3px square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0 equal to 1. And the roots of given equation are a by r, a, comma, yeah. As I told you, the roots of GP will be taken always a by r, a and ar. Whereas for the roots of GP or the roots of AP will be taken as a minus d, a and a plus d. Okay. Now we know that whenever you see the equation of the form that is cubic equation, so what are the properties? That is S1, S2 and S3. Okay. Now it is my option. Now I am taking S3. What is S3? Product of the roots taken all at a time. Product of the roots taken all at a time is equal to a by r into a into ar is equal to, see what happened, minus plus minus equal to is equal to minus r. Okay. Now here a by r into a into r. Now see, these are cancel each other. So what is remains? A cube is equal to minus r. If I want the value of a, what I have to do? I have to take cube root on both sides, which gives me a is equal to minus r to the power of 1 by 3. So it means that I got the value for a as a is equal to minus r to the power of 1 by 3. Okay. So when I say that a by r, a and ar are the roots of the given equation, it means that one of the root is also a. So what I am doing, in place of x, I am substituting a. Therefore, my equation becomes as a is one of the root of the given equation. Therefore, this equation becomes a cube plus 3p square plus 3qa plus r is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now, what I have obtained a is equal to minus r power of 1 by 3. I am substituting the same here. Substituting a is equal to minus r power of 1 by 3. So, this is nothing but minus r power of 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3p to minus r power of 1 by 3 whole square plus 3q into minus r power of by 3 plus r is equal to 0. Now, you see that this 3 and 1 by 3 cancel each other, which gives you minus r plus 3p. Now, this is minus r power 1 by 3 whole square. On squaring, this becomes 3p r to the power of 2 by 3. This is nothing but minus 3q r power of 1 by 3 plus r is equal to 0. Now, this plus r and minus r cancel each other. So, which gives me 3p r to the power of 2 by 3 minus 3q 1 by 3q into r power of 1 by 3. 3q into r power of 1 by 3 equal to 0, right? Which gives me 3p r power of 2 by 3 is equal to 3q r power of 1 by 3. Is clear? This 3 cancel from both sides. This gives me p r to the power of 2 by 3 equal to q into r power of 1 by 3. What I have to show? P cube r equal to q cube, right? So, what I am doing, I am shifting this r on the left hand side, that is r power of 2 by 3 divided by r power of 1 by 3 equal to q, or which gives me p as it is. Basis same, what will be subtracted. If I shift to the numerator, this becomes nothing but 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, okay, is equal to 1 by 3. That is p r power of 1 by 3 is equal to q, right? If I cubing both sides, what happens? Cubing both sides. So, this gives me p r power of 1 by 3 whole cube equal to q cube, which implies that p cube 3 and 1 by 3 cancel each other, r is equal to q cube, which is my required answer. Is it clear? ठीक है? Now see, what is my solution? What है suppose क्या लिखा देखिए, फर्ज करो कि दी हुई मसावात ये है, कौन सी? x क्यूब प्लस 3px स्क्वायर प्लस 3qx प्लस r इज इक्वल टू 0 है. ये तीन रेशे फर्ज करा था मैं, क्या था? a by r, a और ar था, राइट? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, आपके पास s1 s2 s3 तीन के प्रॉपर्टीज है, तो आई एम टेकिंग s3. s3 क्या होता? तमाम रेशों का मजमुआ बैक वक्त s3 इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स टेकन ऑल एट टाइम. रूट्स क्या है मेरे पास? a by r, a ar है, तो a by r into ar इज इक्वल टू क्या होता? प्लस प्लस माइनस, तो दैट इज ऐसा. नाउ देखिए, ये r एंड r कैंसिल ईच अदर, which gives me a into a cube, right, is equal to minus r, which implies that a की जगह क्या होती? माइनस r पावर ऑफ 1 by 3. ठीक है? तो और एक बात यहाँ पर, ये r और ये r से आप कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये r तो क्या है, गिवन क्वेश्चन का r है. हम ये क्या है, ये हमारे पास ए बाई आर, ए आर क्या है, ये हमेशा हम ज्योमेट्री तसल्सुल के अंदर क्या करते हैं, ये रेशियो सपोज करते हैं। यहाँ पर आर क्या है, ये कॉमन रेशियो है। ये आर तो गिवन का है, ये आर कुछ भी हो सकता, एक्स हो सकता, वो के हो सकता, क्यू हो सकता, जेड हो सकता, कुछ भी हो सकता, इससे हमको कोई सरोकार नहीं है। तो डोंट कंफ्यूज दिस आर एंड विद दिस आर, ओके। नाउ so what I got is equal to minus r power of 1/3। मेरे पास एक ही खतर आ गई। अब मुझे मालूम है कि मेरे रूट्स क्या हैं, 3 रूट्स है, एक है a बाई आर, एक है a और दूसरा है ए आर। तो रूट्स क्या होते हैं, दी हुई मसावात को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, ओके। तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग द सेम थिंग, as a is one of the root of the given equation, so in place of x I am writing a, so this becomes a cube plus 3pa square plus 3qa plus r is equal to 0, okay. Now what I have obtained, I have obtained a is equal to minus r power of 1/3, so a is equal to minus r power, I am substituting this value in this equation, so this becomes minus r power of 1/3 whole cube plus 3p as it is, a की प्लेस में minus r power of 1/3 whole square plus 3q as it is, 3q as it is, a की प्लेस में minus r power of 1/3 plus r is equal to 0. Now you see this plus 3 and 1/3 cancel each other, so which gives me minus r, this is 3p as it is, या minus r power 1/3 के ऊपर स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर करते क्या होता, अंदर की वैल्यू नेगेटिव जाके प्लस पॉजिटिव हो जाती, दिस बिकम 3p r power of 2/3 प्लस ये क्या होगा, माइनस 3q r power of 1/3 प्लस r, ये प्लस r माइनस r कैंसल each other, which gives me 3p r power of 2/3 minus 3q r power of 1/3 is equal to 0. If I shift this to the right hand side, 3p r power of 2/3 is equal to 3q r power of 1/3, then these three will cancel each other, which gives me p r power of 2/3 equal to q r power of 1/3, यानी p जैसा का वैसा r power of 2/3 divided by r power of 1/3 is equal to q। हमको मालूम है a power of m by a power of n is equal to a power of m by a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n होता। therefore इसकी खुवत माइनस करो, मैं 2/3 माइनस 1/3 को माइनस किया तो आंसर आ गया मेरे को 1/3, ओके। सो दिस नथिंग बट p into r power of 1/3 is equal to q। अब यहाँ से मेरे को 1/3 को लगाना है, रिमूव करना है, तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, गिविंग बोथ साइड्स, so this become p r power 1/3 whole cube is equal to q cube, p के ऊपर क्यूब आ जाता है, ये 3 और 1/3 कैंसिल ईच अदर, which gives me q cube, so which is my required answer, okay। Now write down the next question, Asawad x4, write down next question, solve q power of 4 plus x cube 16x square minus 4x plus 48 equal to 0 to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 4x plus 48 is equal to 0, given that the product of the two of the roots, and that product of two of the roots is 6, ठीक है। क्या है सवाल, क्या बोला, एक चौथे दर्जे की मसावत दे दिया, कसी रुकनी मसावत है, और ये कहते हैं कि इन दो रेशों का हासिल ज़रब क्या है, के है, राइट। तो what he says, this is a 4-degree equation in which product of the two of the roots is equal to 6, okay। Now as soon as you see the 4-degree equation, it will come in your mind that the roots will be, what are the 4 roots, alpha, beta, gamma and delta, okay। So these are the 4 roots, Write down the solution. Let the roots of the given equation are alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Is clear? So as it is 4-degree equation, so we suppose the root size alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. So product of the two roots. According to the problem, product of the two roots is equal to 6. So I can take any root. So here I am taking alpha beta is equal to 6. Alpha beta is equal to 6. So this is my equation 1. So what is this? The roots are alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Okay. So what is alpha, beta, gamma, delta? And S1, S2, S3, S4, right? Because these are 4-degree equation. So I am finding the value of S4. S4 is nothing but again product of the roots taken all at a time. Product of the roots taken all at a time. All at a time. So which is nothing but alpha, beta, gamma, delta is equal to minus, plus, minus, plus. Here minus, plus, minus, plus. That is 48. Now this gives me what is alpha, beta? 6. If I substitute here 6 gamma delta is equal to 48, or this is nothing but gamma delta is equal to 6 1 the 6 is the 48. So I am naming this as equation 2, that is gamma delta is equal to 8, that is my equation 2. Okay. Now again, what is my S1? S1, what is S1? Sum of the roots taken all at a time. Okay. So S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus, right? So this is equal to minus 1. Okay. So alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus 1, or what I can do from this alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1. If I shift this to the right hand side, it become minus 1 minus of gamma plus delta, right? This is my equation 3. Okay. So this is first equation, this is second equation. I am naming this equation as equation 3. Now if I take product of the roots, what is S1 is over. What is left out? S2 is there. What is the another option? S3 is there. S4 is already I have taken. Okay. So here what I will do, I will take S3, that is product of the root taken 3 at a time. Okay. So S3 is equal to, now what is the value of S3? Alpha, beta, gamma plus alpha, beta, gamma, then alpha, beta, delta, then alpha, gamma, delta, alpha, gamma, delta. Okay. Then what is the next one? Beta, gamma, delta. Okay. Gamma, delta is equal to minus, plus, minus. Minus is become again, here it is plus, right? So what is this? Alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, delta plus alpha, gamma, delta plus beta, gamma, delta. Okay. Now if I take out alpha, beta common from the first two terms, what is remains here? Alpha, beta, if I take out common, is gamma plus delta plus, if I take out gamma delta common from here, what is inside? Alpha plus beta equal to 4. Now it is my choice. Either I can convert the whole equation in terms of alpha beta or the whole equations in terms of gamma plus delta. Okay. Now, if I write as alpha beta, what is the value of alpha beta? 6. Okay. So, I want to convert this whole equation in terms of gamma plus delta. Right. Now, what is alpha beta? 6. So, gamma plus delta. Plus, what is gamma delta? 8. Into, what is alpha plus beta? From where here, this is equation 3. If I substitute equation 3, alpha plus beta, substituting 1, 2 and 3. So, what is alpha plus beta? It is nothing but minus 1 minus gamma delta. That's clear? What I have done? S3 is equal to alpha beta gamma plus alpha plus delta plus alpha gamma delta plus beta gamma delta. From the first two terms, I have taken out alpha beta common. What is inside? Delta. From the last two terms, if I take out gamma delta common, what is inside? Alpha plus beta. Now, alpha beta is equal to 6 to gamma plus delta. Gamma delta is equal to 8 into alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 minus gamma minus delta. So, as I told you, it is my choice. I can convert this equation in terms of either alpha beta or gamma delta. So, I have converted in terms of gamma delta. So, this gives me 6 gamma, 6 delta, minus 8 gamma, minus 8 delta is equal to 4. 8 gamma minus 6 gamma is minus 2 gamma. 6 delta minus 8 delta is equal to minus 2 delta, right? Equal to 4. If I shift minus 8 to that side, it becomes plus 8 equal to 12. So, if I divide throughout the equation by minus 2, this becomes gamma plus delta equal to gamma plus delta is equal to minus 6. So, this is my equation number. Already I have given 1, 2, 3. So, with the help of this, I am naming this as equation 4, right? So, what I got? Gamma plus delta is equal to minus 6. If I substitute this equation, that is gamma plus delta is equal to minus 6 in equation 3, then I can get the value for alpha plus beta. Okay. Now, substituting equation 4 in equation 3. What is my equation? That is alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 minus of gamma plus delta, which gives me minus 1 as it is. Now, what is gamma plus delta? Minus 6. So, this becomes minus 1 plus 6, which is equal to 5. So, this is my equation number something. I name this as equation 5. Okay, 6 minus 5, this is my equation 5. Now, you see, what are the values we have obtained? We have obtained alpha beta, we have obtained alpha plus beta, we have obtained gamma delta, we have obtained gamma plus delta. Okay. Now, we know that when it is an 4-degree equation, so this equation is equal to, can be split in the form of second degree term into second degree term. Is it clear? Now, up to here, you write down. Then, I want to remove the first part. मैं समझता हूँ उर्दू मीडियम के स्टूडेंट भी समझ गए यहाँ तक, कुछ भी किया हुआ यहाँ पर, क्या किया? ये मसावत के सपोज किया था, क्या नाम था? अल्फा बीटा गामा डेल्टा, राइट? क्या बोल दिया? उसके सवाल के मुताबिक क्या है? दो रेशों का मजमूआ 6 था, तो अल्फा बीटा इज इक्वल टू 6, इसका नाम इक्वेशन 1 दे दिया मैं। और मैं क्योंकि मसावत के रेशे 4 होते हैं, तो मैं स्कोर की खुसूसियत यूज करते हुए स्कोर मसावी है, तमाम रेशों का हासिल ज़रब बैक वक्त मसावी है, अल्फा बीटा गामा डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू, सवाल में से कि माइनस प्लस ले लिए, तो हो जाता 48, अल्फा बीटा की कदर 6 दर्ज करा, तो मेरे गामा डेल्टा की कदर 8 आ गई, इसका नाम मसावत 1 बोला। उसके बाद S1 की खूबसूरती इस्तेमाल करते हुए मैं अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा प्लस डेल्टा से प्लस बीटा की कदर निकाल लिया, इसका नाम मसावत 2 बोला। हाँ, जो मसावत 2 हो गया, मसावत 3 हो गया। फिर उसके बाद S3 यूज किया, S3 की मदद से क्या किया मैं? गामा प्लस डेल्टा निकाला, इसका नाम मसावत 4 हो गई। गामा प्लस डेल्टा को लिया कि मसावत 3 में दर्ज करे तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा की कदर आ गई, राइट? तो my backbone is ready. Just I have to substitute all these things in the given equation. Now, therefore, this is my equation. X4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 4x plus 48 is equal to this. I can write as this. I can write as x square minus sum of the root 2x plus product of the root is equal to 0. 2 x square minus sum of the root 2x plus product of the root 0. Is it clear? So, what are these? This is nothing but 4-degree equation. Therefore, 4-degree equation is nothing but roots are x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, x minus delta, which can be written in this form. Okay? Or you can write like this also. X minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, x minus delta. On simplifying, I am getting this one is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 5. That is 5x plus alpha beta is equal to 6 into x square minus gamma plus delta. Gamma plus delta is equal to minus 6. This is nothing but plus 6 plus gamma delta is equal to 8. ठीक है? ये इसके 4 रेशे सपोज कर लिया था मैं. 4 रेशे सपोज करके इसको मुक्त करो तो ऐसा हासिल होगा मुझे. राइट? इनके खतरे दर्ज कर दिया. नाउ आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग सिस्टम्स. क्या करा मैं? 4 रेशे निकाल लिया दर्ज कर. नाउ आई एम फाइंडिंग दिस फैक्टर x स्क्वायर into 6 स्क्वायर. इसके दो टुकड़े बनते हैं -3 -2 -5 3 2 are 6. That is -3x plus 2x into इसके दो टुकड़े बनते 8 1 are 8 8 1 are 8 4 plus 2 6 4 2 are 8. Therefore, the factors are square plus 4x plus 2x, right, is equal to. जैसे दो कॉमन ही करो. x निकाल लिया तो x minus 3, 2 बाहर निकाल लिया तो x minus 3, राइट. x बाहर निकाल लिया, व्हाट इज इनसाइड प्लस 4. यहाँ से 2 बाहर निकाल लिया तो व्हाट इज इनसाइड प्लस 4, which gives me x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 2, 2 plus 4. So, it means that this 4-degree equation is resolved into second degree equation is resolved into first degree. Then I got the values. Therefore, when this is equal to this is also equal to, you can make it is equal to 0. Therefore, the solutions are x equal to 2, 3, minus 2 become plus 2, and this is minus 2, plus 2, 3, and minus 4. Right? So, therefore, they are not in an order form. Therefore, roots of the one equal are क्या होता है -2 +4, right, +2 and 3. Is it clear? So these also are 7 marks questions. So inshallah we will continue some more questions in the next class. ठीक है? आ गया समझ में? यहाँ तक क्या करें? यहाँ तक तो आपको समझा दिया था मैं, राइट. अल्फा बीटा निकाल लिया था, अल्फा प्लस बीटा निकाल लिया था, गामा डेल्टा निकाल लिया था, गामा प्लस डेल्टा निकाल लिया था. निकाल के क्या करा? 4-degree इक्वेशन लिया. 4-degree इक्वेशन के रूट ये होते बोल के तो 2 टुकड़े बना के लिख दिए. तो वैल्यू दर्ज करे, उसके अध्याय निकाल लिए. पहले तो हमको 4 रेशे आ. ठीक है? तो बाय दिस इंशाल्लाह विल क्लोज द क्लास, विल क्लोज दिस सेशन. इंशाल्लाह आई विल कंटिन्यू सम मोर क्वेश्चंस with some other chapter in the next session. Then thank you.